Hi, fifth grade. We are going to discuss lesson 85 of math. You need your math book, you need something to write with, and you need to have looked at the lesson explanation on Jupiter. We're starting on page 444. Today we're going to talk about converting units of capacity. So cartons, bottles, those are said to have capacity. Capacity is a measure of the amount of liquid something can hold. So, for example, here is my water bottle, and on it says 18 fluid ounces. So we would say that my water bottle has a capacity of 18 ounces. That's the amount of liquid that it can hold. Just like with our other measurements, there are two different systems. There's the US customary system and there's the metric system. In the US customary system, we have many different units. So the smallest unit is the cup. A cup is 8 ounces. The next unit is a pint. A pint is 2 cups, so it's 16 ounces. The next unit is a quart. A quart is 2 pints, so it's 4 cups. The next unit that Saxon works with that is less likely for you to find in like the grocery store, but is something good to know, is the half gallon. There are 2 quarts in a half gallon. And then the next and highest unit in the US customary system that we deal with is the gallon. A gallon is like a gallon of milk, same thing. And there are 4 quarts in a gallon, or 2 half gallons. So you need to look at your diagrams on page 444. The first one starts with the largest unit, the gallon, and then it breaks it down to the cups. If you look at it, you will see that most of the units go by 2s. 2 cups to a pint, 2 pints to a quart, 2 quarts to a half gallon, 2 half gallons to a gallon. In the metric system, there is the liter, L-I-T-E-R-S, liters, and there are milliliters. Just like millimeters, milliliters are 1,000. You need 1,000 milliliters to make 1 liter. So you have an equivalence table for units of liquid measure. It's also on page 445. So that is what we can use to do some conversions. So let's look at our practice set. Practice set A says 1/4 of a dollar is a quarter. What is the name for 1/4 of a gallon? So it's asking which of our units of measurement do we need 4 of to make a gallon? Now, they kind of gave it away with the beginning part of the question because it is the quart. You need 4 quarts to make a gallon. Question B asks us, how many pints equals 1 gallon? Well, if there are 4 quarts in each gallon and there are 2 pints in each quart, that means that there are 8 pints in a gallon. You can also see this if you look at your diagram. You can just go right across and count the pints and you should see 8 of them. Question C asks us how many milliliters equals 2 liters, right? So we want to know first how many milliliters is in 1 liter. It's 1,000. And we have 2 groups of them. So it's 2 times 1,000, which would give us 2,000 milliliters. And our last question, question D, asks, a cup is 1/2 of a pint. A cup is how many ounces? Maybe you remember about 3 minutes ago, the beginning of this video, I did say how many ounces were in a cup. But if you look at your conversion table on page 445, we have 16 ounces equals 1 pint. So if a cup is 1/2 of a pint, it's half of the amount of ounces. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So a cup is 8 ounces. All right, so that's our lesson for today. I hope you guys have a good time doing your practice set, and I'll see you here later. Have a great day, guys.